Welcome! Now I got REALME Pad and now I'm show you how to change screen recorder sound settings. So first step, need open your top bar and find this button, screen recorder. If you don't get this button here, need click pencil and then scroll down and find this button here. Then need press and hold and drag to top. And then you edit this button. So press back for edit, and now need press to screen recorder button. So when we press, now we got screen recorder settings. So first option will be record audio. Now I got microphone, and here when we press, we can choose device audio and microphone, turn on this option or turn off. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.